So the two-time defending World T20 cricket champions, the West Indies, are trying to figure out how to play T20 cricket. Just because we've dropped down the rankings, we're now questioning what we've done successfully. Now, first of all, the full-strength West Indies T20 team hardly ever played together. So that is why they fell so far down the rankings. And to be remodeling the mindset and approach of these veteran batsmen is basically confusing them. I think the West Indies absolutely need to continue to play to their strengths, improve and increase their boundary hitting efficiency, and leave the ones and twos to New Zealand and Sri Lanka. Yes. The concern about too many dot balls in the innings is real. The solution to that is to select a traditional batsman like Darren Bravo or Shea Hope to play the Marlon Samuels role in the batting order. So when the big hitting don't come off, them come and settle and salvage the innings. But this grand scheme of reshaping the attitudes and approach of Chris Gayle and Evan Lewis and Kyron Pollard and Andre Russell, tell them to stop hitting so many boundaries and rotate the strike and take more singles and blah, blah, blah. God go, we don't know. I think we stand a better chance of actually seeing the cow jumping over the moon than that happening.